this is the July Discovered Beauty box. This edit is called Fun in the Summer Sun. And yeah, let's get unpacking what we have in here. It's amazing. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have an unboxing for you, and it is this. I have been waiting for this with anticipation. I love this box, absolutely love it. I pay for this myself, get it monthly, and this is one of the best boxes I get. This is £25 per month. I will leave a link down below in the information box and the comment box. If you click my link and purchase your first box, you'll get £3 off the cost, which is a really good saving. But yeah, let's open this up. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. And first of all, I would just like to apologise. This box, you can't order it anymore. You have to order by the 10th of the month to get the box. And because I'm a paying subscriber like yourself, I get it after the 10th, which is kind of too late. But if you look back on the boxes that I have unboxing this, you'll see how good these boxes are. So it might tempt you into subscribing now and you'll get next month's box. But I really wish I received this early enough to show you guys, but never mind. Let's open her up and have a sneaky peek. Oh my goodness, right, so here is the edit card. It has information on all the products that are in here, which is fab. We have a little note here just thanking her for her purchase basically. And the box always looks very neat and tidy. Oh my god, it's so hot, it's so hot. Ooh, and it looks like we have a nice little cosmetics bag there. Let's dig that out and have a closer inspection. Yes, so here is a little cosmetic bag. I suppose you can use it for your toiletries or makeup or anything that you want. I have the blue polka dot one, which is a very nice, classic yet timeless print. But yeah, let's open this up. Is a little sneak peek for you, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Right, so back to the edit card, just a quick moment, and when we open it up, it has the name of the edit here, and the name of this edit is Fun in the Summer Sun. It is time for some summer fun, DBB fam. The sun is shining more often, temperatures are rising, which means it's time for some fun in the summer sun. In this month's edit, there are some glorious products to aim in the summer fun. So the first item is this, and it is a travel bag, and it's by the brand Travel With. It has an RRP of £8.99, so very affordable indeed. And it just says, get packing this summer with this delightful travel bag for all your skincare and makeup needs. It comes with a removable insert, so you can separate all your products or keep them together. And once finished being used, it can easily be folded flat and put away. Receive either a cherry red star print, a peach print, blue polka dot, flowers in either pink, purple or blue. I'm kind of glad I've got this one because, like I say, it's quite timeless, isn't it? So yeah, we open it up. We have these compartments here where you can slot things in. We have this flat bit here where you can put things underneath and on top. And if you want to take the flap out, you certainly can. And on the flap, we have some elasticated little pockets there as well. And that material, feels like that material, so if you get anything on there, you can just get a damp cloth and just wipe to clean. Yeah, not bad for £8.99 as well. It feels good quality, the stitching's quite good. Yeah, quite happy with that indeed. So the second product we have in the box is this. So this is a body wash, and it's by the brand Faith in Nature. The RRP for this is £5.79, which is such an affordable price because you get 400ml in here. It just says, experience a fruitful shower time with this Faith in Nature. Your skin will be left refreshed and with a pleasant fragrance. Just what it needs this summertime. Receive either the dragon fruit, argan and shea, grapefruit and orange, coconut, made with 100% natural fragrance and essential oil. So what one did I get? I got the jojoba. Ooh, I would have been overjoyed to get the coconut because that's my all-time favourite scent, but jojoba is also fantastic. So let's just have a whiff. yeah, that sniffs good. So yeah, there is that. And that's going to last quite a long time as well with the size. But yeah, good little product to get. The third product we have in the box is this. Let's just open it up here. Here's a closer look. And this is by the brand reduit. Reduit. I am butchering that name, I do apologise, I can't pronounce it. And this is a reduit uni. It has an RRP of £89 and it just says add a little fun and fabulous to your skincare routine with this new beauty tool, perfect for when you're at home or away. Designed using magnetic mist and ultrasonic diffusing technologies, it helps products to be absorbed faster and deeper into your skin and hair. You can use this in your skin and hair, wow! One treatment is 15 seconds long, but if you need longer, simply start the device again. A 2-hour charge can provide up to 3 months use. Whoa, okay, that's really, really good. Receive either Lime Lift, Daisy Blue, Forest Green or Lavender Calm. Wow, so we actually have a skincare stroke hair device. What one did I get here? Well, I got Forest Green. Let's have a look. Just going to try and be careful peeling this off as well because it has a little QR code there and it says scan to register. So be gentle, Joanne. Oh my goodness, look at that. Cool. Of the thing, we have the little charger. Let's pop that back in there before I lose it. And we have, oh, you get a little bag so you can keep it in a bag. Okay, that's kind of cool. There's a little instruction thing there too. But yeah, this is the machine. I suppose a little pod thing goes in there. And then that bit there is where you pop the charger. I suppose that, oh, there it is. I'm thinking, is that, would you press there? No. Here is the button for on and off. Oh, can you hear it? Cool. On to the next product is this. So again, this is by the same brand, Reduit. And this is an LED Hydra Boost pod. So yes, we've got one of the pods to go with it. This has an RRP of £32.90. It just says this small but very mighty LED pod holds the equivalent of 50 ml of traditional product, as all the actives are highly concentrated. The Hydra Boost pod features Rosa rugosa flower extract, which helps deep hydration and anti-inflammatory protection, also boasting an orange LED light which helps to stimulate brighter skin and collagen, improve lymphatic production, decrease dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Yes please, I've got melasma, if it can help with that, awesome. So wow, that's the equivalent of 50 milliliters of product. Crazy. Should we try it out? Oh my goodness, can you hear that? Opening this up. Ooh, opening this up, this is what it looks like. This is bizarre, isn't it? The machine here. So you see them little metal bits there? We've got the metal bits there, so I suppose we just line them up. Put them in and, oh yeah, twist. Did you hear that click? Oh yeah, take that off. And then I have no idea what happens. What happens now? It needs charging, it's not going to work yet, Joanne. But that's how you put it in anyway, and that's what it looks like with it in. It's quite a sturdy little weight, not too heavy, not too light. It feels really, really good quality. I am so intrigued by this, and yeah, do expect a video on this because I can't wait to try this out, and I'll share the experience. I must say just here as well, it has a discount code. Yeah. There it is there. Fifth and final product we have in our box is this. It's actually 2 products, which is great. So this is by the brand Phase Zero and it's metal foil eyeshadows. Cool. These have an RRP of £10 each, and it just says create eye looks for the bright summer days and warm summer nights with the Phase Zero metal foil shadows. Each pot packs a creamy metallic punch that is lightweight and moisturising. They are easily applied, buildable, provides great coverage and can be used alone or with other eyeshadows and can last 8 hours on the eyes. Okay, well 8 hours plus it says. Cruelty free and vegan. The shades are Status and Dark Night. Let's get swatching. This is what they look like. Nice compact little pots. So this one is Status. and this one is Dark Night. That's without the top on. Oh wow, yes, it is like creamy, moussey kind of feel. I was not expecting that at all. Oh, wow, oh my goodness, what? Look at the pigment on them. I love that darker one. I really love that darker one. That's beautiful. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Guys, so this is the July Discovered Beauty Box. Fun in the summer sun. What do you think? Personally, I think this is an absolutely fantastic box. So great that we've got a shower gel there, perfect for this hot weather, because let's face it, we're all going to be having lots of cold showers to keep nice and cool. A great affordable product with it as well that smells amazing. An actual skincare device that can be used for the hair too. An actual device with a pod as well to go with it to get you started. Lovely. Two amazing eyeshadows that are so pigmented and the colours are beautiful, and a lovely little cosmetic bag to finish it off. Like, what? Yeah, Discovered Beauty never fails. I always think, oh, it can't get better than this. It's really good, and every box it gets better and better. It's so bizarre. Again, I do apologise, you can't get this box. You would have to order before the 10th of this month, and obviously it's after that now. But I say, if you go and watch previous boxes, you'll see how good the box is. You can make your mind up if you want to risk it and get next month's box. My link is down below. Give it a click. You will get £3 off your first box. I just wish I got this earlier so you could see it and decide if you want the box and order before the 10th, but I don't, unfortunately. But yeah, amazing box. And another one. What is going on out there? Everybody's losing minds because of the heat. But yeah, that concludes my video. So again, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.